Hey Baddies, and welcome to a new series called Stuff I Bought When I Was Stressed the Hell Out. Okay, so this stuff was funded via YouTube, so thank you so much for watching. You paid for this depression shopping spree. So let's see what we've got here. If you know me, you already know. So we've got a box from Saks. And the first thing we have in here is something I've been wanting to try for my bedding, but they had it on sale. So finally was like, okay, I'm getting it. So this is from the laundress, and it's a collaboration with Le Labo, and it's the Rose 31 scent, and it's like luxury fabric cleaner, like detergent. So people call it detergent. And so I'm looking forward to trying this on my bedding. Let me smell it. So I bought a sampler of their fragrances to try the Santal 33. That's like super cow paper towel. Not me trying to open it with my teeth and getting it all in my mouth. It tastes nasty, but it smells good. I just blew a bubble. I blew a bubble. Oh, I'm disgusted. Yeah. Yuck. So anyway, smells good, tastes disgusting. Oh, I can still taste it. Okay, the first one scent I got here is Fleur Narcotique. Been wanting to try this one for a while too. This is totally a blind buy, y'all. Like, I have no idea what any of these smell like. The box is really nice. And I keep all my boxes in case I resell fragrances, which I do a lot. It's like styrofoam. That's different. A little janky for the price. So here's the bottle. There's my YouTube hand. You probably still can't see it. Let me smell it. It's very fruity. Has a lot of fruity notes. I'm not a big gourmand scent buyer, so I don't know why I'm putting it back in the box. I have to let it sit on me and see if I really like it. Okay, and next up I got the small version of Perfumes de Marly Delina La Rose. Like, my favorite perfume ever is the Delina exclusive, so before I hopped on and bought the big box, they had this one discount of like 40 bucks. So I'm gonna try this 1 ouncer, and they always give you the little pamphlet on the scents. Okay, and then here's the little teeny tiny bottle. It's so cute. It's like a blush pink, but these always smell so good. Let me see. Oh yeah. It's no different. Oh, dear God, it smells so good. Perfumes de Marly Delina. You can never go wrong with that line. Never go wrong. So good. I think that's all that came today. I had ordered a few more, but I guess those are coming on a different day. So I will finish recording this video when those come, but for now I have one more thing to open. All right, so here is the last thing I purchased. I did upgrade my Apple Watch. You know, the Apple unboxing hits different. I was gonna record an ASMR, but nobody got time for that. I'm gonna blur this. So I got the, what is it called? Apple Watch Ultra. So as you know, Apple unboxings are always the GOAT. So they give you the watch band. This is the only color and style they had in stock, and I really wanted it, so I grabbed this one. This is the Alpine, I think. The white band. And here is the actual watch face. It is 49 inches. I had a 5 in the largest size, and this one is so much larger. So this is a 49-inch watch face. So I'll compare sizes in just a second, but in the meantime, you know, they always send you the, you know, the charger and all that good stuff. No boxes, but so here's the new one, and here's my old ones, so you can see the size difference. Like, there's a huge difference. And this one, I don't know what's going on. It started acting ghetto, so I took that as a sign that it was time for me to upgrade. You know how we do. So it's really gorgeous. It's huge. But it has like the orange details on the side. Forgive my raggedy nails. So it's super cute. Super excited to put that on. And that's the last of my purchases. So I just wanted to share with y'all. Alright, sorry if y'all can hear the fan in the back, but I just got this package. And I know I said I would show y'all all the fragrances I got, so. Okay, so this one is MFK Gentle Fluidity. This is the same brand that makes Baccarat. But I had tried a sampler set and I was, this one is so good. Like, it's ridiculous. And for the price of these, like, they are so ghetto for this packaging. But anyway, this one here is the Gentle Fluidity. So I love the way that one smells. It's more of like a sexier night scent. So I'm a big fan. And then I also got Bond number 9 Tribeca. I've been fiending for this one for ages. So this one's the white bottle. And this smells like, it's hard to explain. It's another one that I really, really love. But yeah, it's Bond number 9 Tribeca. And then very last here is another MFK, and this one is Oud Satin Mood, and it is another night, not, you know, like going out scent, not an everyday wear, but like when you're trying to be fancy, trying to smell like a snack and all that. It's really good. I guess they box all of these up different. But yeah, this is MFK too, that same brand that makes Baccarat. They have way better scents in my opinion than just Baccarat. So yeah, there's Oud, sorry the lighting's not great, we literally just popped up in the window. So I got Oud Satin Mood, Gentle Fluidity, and Bond number 9. Oh, and here's my Apple Watch on, in case I didn't show that.